वास्को बायणा दर्यावेळेर जागतीक दर्यावेळ नितळसाण दीस मनयलो. ह्या निमतान नौदल सैन्यान एकठांय येवन दर्यावेळेर स्वच्छता उपक्रम आंखलो. आयडेक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
International Coastal Cleanup Day. Way back in 1986, this movement started in the US of A, where initially in the year 1986, about 3,000 watt, that's about 2,800 people, general public got together and started this cleanup. Every year, millions of tons of garbage is taken out from the beaches all over the world. Actually, in the state of Goa, the state administration ensures that there is a contract handed over for keeping the beaches clean. Generally, we find the beaches here at Goa are very clean. Nevertheless, keeping the beaches clean is not the duty of the state. It is our duty. It is every citizen's duty. And in that context, this International Coastal Cleanup Day is being held in India, in our country and the world over. Especially the children, so that they can drive home to their parents, to their friends, that we should not litter our beaches. Whatever litter which gathers or the garbage which gathers on the beaches is put by us. It is not put by the government. Most of us only want to complain that it is government is not picking up this garbage. In the first instance, if we don't put the garbage, there won't be anything for picking up. From last year, the Director General Coast Guard, along with Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, had launched Swachh Sagar Abhiyan also. To this, most of our Coast Guard ships do spend time at sea in collecting whatever pollutants, including garbage, floating debris at sea. And in this regard, the Coast Guard has done a good job for the last 2 years. Today, on the Coastal Cleanup Day, we also made it a point to have Swachh Sagar Abhiyan also and pick up some. In this matter, we have deployed ships especially for picking up any debris or garbage out at sea. We are thankful to the 8 hotels, especially Bagmolo Beach Resort here, for being with us shoulder to shoulder to make this day a memorable one. We have been 8 hotels in different parts of Goa have taken up this, and they are organizing this event in the 8 different beaches in South and North Goa.